Hello, this is Jimmy Murray from Heber, Montana. We're on HolidayVillageMall.com, and today is Saturday, February 9th, 2019, and we're looking at your Windows CDs from Microsoft, which operating systems were released from 1985 to present. So let's have a look at it. Here is the actual Embico CD pack. See? That's pretty cool, huh? Let's have a look at it. So here is Windows ME, just back in 2000, or how to upgrade it. So here is the Windows XP Home Edition CD. We got our Service Pack 2 on it right here. Fine, okay. That is next. I have to see that way we got Windows 95 OSR 2.1. And I got Windows 98 Upgrade CD. You got Genuine on it. Yeah. Come on. Much better. So here is Windows 98 Second Edition. Now using Windows NT 4.0. Also, we got our Windows Fundamental for Legacy PCs upgrade. And some features that are always just there and I had to do it in. And these are manufactured in 2006. What I have to do is that. So that's the same. So gonna talk about more about this. So
no.
Alright, this M&M's is my rainbowest flavor ever made. You have to take a piece on it. And I always this because Andra grabs a cup. And I always this because sometimes we have to steal food, and then maybe give it a couple more minutes and we got the more disc we'll show you. So here is Windows Embedded Pulse Ready 2009 upgrade. This requires for Windows XP. Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional Service Pack 1 upgrade. Oh, a little bit of smear it right here. I'll take care of it for later. Windows 2000 Server. Windows XP Professional Service Pack 2. Windows Server 2003, and more. Alright, stay tuned for a message for our sponsors.